Hey everyone, I'm Sandy Scott. I am a fourth year teacher at St. George Elementary. We are located just to the east of Manhattan. It's a rural community, but we actually have about 500 students at our grade school. Our school functions a little bit differently. We still do multi-age classes, and so we will have a first grade group with a second grade group. So I have about 10 first grade students and 10 second grade students, and then we break apart into differentiated instruction for reading and for math. So I primarily teach first grade math and second grade reading. This is my fourth year there. As far as some of my strengths with technology, I would say I'm definitely willing to try anything. Um, I'm really not scared to give it all a go. I just might not be as familiar with all the things that are out there because as soon as I look at one thing, I'm like, oh, there's 7 more, computer programs or apps that can do that as well. One weakness that I would have with technology is following through. Um, I like to start things, but I struggle more to carry through. Like we might do it for like 2 or 3 weeks, say with maybe like Class Dojo or Seesaw or any of those apps. It might like go good for a little bit, but it tends to wear off. And so one thing I've kind of learned about myself is that I really need to focus on one technology and really learn to utilize it and implement it to its fullest before I move on to something else. So I don't have my eggs in too many baskets. Um, some of the different tools that I have in my classroom would be the Promethean board, your basic teacher computer, your desktop. We have iPads that are about a 1:3 ratio, and then laptops that are a 1:7 ratio. So the technology is kind of there, but honestly, our iPads I would say are at least 6 years old, so they're pretty outdated. They glitch quite a bit. A lot of the up-to-date apps don't function as properly on there. And then we also have laptops as well, and then access to a computer lab as well. As far as Google Apps, so I was really, really scared of Google about a year ago when I started at Fort Hays, but I've become a lot more comfortable to where I'm actually utilizing them in my classroom as well. Say with Google Docs, if I want something for my parents to sign up for a certain time slot, I can use that, or I'll use other tools for sign up. But I've also got a little bit more comfortable with Google Slides and the different Google communities that they have to offer through the classes I've taken from Fort Hays. So I am actually really excited for this class because I like to learn new things about technology and ways to increase student learning. So I look forward to watching your videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.